Hi everyone, today's video is about Bacillus anthracis. So in this scene, a bus full of ill people has been brought to this health camp. So a bus of ill will remind you of Bacillus. You can also see the bus have antenna. The first three letters of the word antenna, ant, will remind you of anthrax. So now you know this story about a bus of ill people with antennas on the top of bus is about Bacillus anthracis. Okay, so let's proceed. The report of these patients have come out to be positive for the disease. The positive report will remind you that these are gram-positive bacilli. In the front you can see an ill girl. She is talking to the doctor and telling about how she got the disease. So she is telling that she fed seeds to some animals, after which she got the disease. The seeds will remind you that Bacillus anthracis is spore bearing, because just like the seeds, spores have also protective covering. Then the doctor is prescribing capsules to the patients. From the capsules, remember that Bacillus anthracis is the capsulated bacteria. Now there are two things to remember about the capsule. Firstly, if you have used the capsules, you know that if we keep multiple capsules together, they stick to each other, as if they are glued together. So remember the word glued. It will help you remind that capsules are made up of polyglutamate in Bacillus anthracis. In addition to that, you can see here in the capsules that the color is somewhat fading. From the word fading, remember that capsules demonstrate M-fading reaction here. Clearly the disease has created a havoc in the population. The people are being brought by the bus. So remember that it is a bioterrorist weapon. Let's talk about the anthrax toxin now, which is made up of three constituents. Firstly, you can see that the patients have swollen legs, because of which they are not able to move. The swollen legs will help you remember that the first constituent is edema factor. Secondly, you can see the animals, the cow, sheep are being kept inside a fence. So the fence will help you remind that another constituent is protective factor. So the protective fence stands for protective factor. Also, there is a danger sign besides the animals. The danger sign helps you remind that the third constituent is lethal factor. These three constituents together make the anthrax toxin and act synergistically to increase the CAMP levels. CAMP or camp is symbolized by the health camps. Here the fence is made up of bamboo. So this bacilli give bamboo stick appearance. Everyone here is wearing winter clothes, so you can guess that this is a cold region. So you will also find fir trees here. The fir trees imply that these bacilli give inverted fir tree appearance. The fir trees are against the blue sky. From the blue sky you can remember that these give inverted fir tree appearance in gelatin blue stab culture. The sun rays here look like wavy hairs. So the sun will remind us about the Medusa head appearance of the bacilli. The patients are all holding plates to have their lunch. The plate will remind you of plate media, which is the best selective media for Bacillus anthracis. So this bacilli causes anthrax, which is a zoonotic disease and mainly transmitted by livestock, especially cattle and sheep. So look at here the cow and the sheep. From these animals we get three important products, that is hide or skin, their wool and their meat. So anthrax is also of three types. From the skin or hide, it causes Hyde-Potter's disease, which is also called cutaneous anthrax. From the wool, the disease is Wool-Sortus disease, which is called pulmonary anthrax, and from the ingestion of meat, it causes intestinal anthrax. That's it for today's video. Do let me know if you like my content. by a like, comment and share. And if you want to stay for more content like this, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you for watching.